Air duct system pressure imbalances can totally mess with your home's comfort and energy bills, so getting this fixed is a game changer. Okay, so first thing, you gotta check your blower speed. If it's too high or too low, it throws off the whole system pressure and makes some rooms feel like saunas while others are freezing. Next, balance those duct dampers. Think of them like volume knobs for airflow to each room. Adjusting them right means airflow gets spread out evenly instead of blasting one spot and leaving another dry. Also, don't ignore leaks in your ducts. Even small holes can cause pressure problems and waste energy. Use mastic sealant or metal tape to patch those leaks up. Another tip is to regularly replace or clean your air filters because dirty filters restrict airflow and throw off system balance. Remember, if your vents are closed or blocked, that can cause pressure issues too, so keep them open and clear. Finally, consider scheduling a professional duct test to measure static pressure and airflow for a better fix. One of the biggest mistakes with air duct system pressure imbalances is ignoring the blower speed settings. Too fast, and you waste energy. Too slow, and your house won't heat or cool properly. Fix this by consulting your HVAC manual or a pro for the right speed. Another common issue is unbalanced duct dampers. People either forget to adjust them or don't understand how they work, so take time to tweak each damper gradually until airflow feels even in every room. Lastly, many folks overlook leaks or blockages in the ducts, which cause uneven pressure and higher bills. Seal leaks with proper materials and clear any debris or furniture blocking vents to fix this. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for hooking you up with local contractors you can actually trust for projects like fixing your air ducts. Plus, it helps contractors find real homeowners who need work done, making it easier for both sides to connect without all the hassle.